Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm way out of my league here. Being a laser engraver, we don't get to mess with colors. But this is the way his picture looks. And he wants it more of a skin tone. Now, I'm sure, and I very seldom ever go into Corel Paint. But inside of Corel Draw, you can go to Effects and Adjust and maybe go Color Balance. And then I would just tweak the red a little bit. And you've changed it that much, making it didn't change her, really it kind of gave some color to her hair. Her teeth still look good, her earrings, but she's got a little bit more flesh color. It's not going to change the top, I don't think, even though it probably did. But that's all I know, and you can play around with these effects and adjust and do gamma and brightness and play around with it forever. That looks pretty good. Go to the contrast and change the contrast out a little bit and just kind of play with it. That didn't work at all, and you can always cancel out and get back to where you were. But that does look better, the one I did on the right than the left. And that really shows up like I said in the first video about getting rid of these sharp points on her hair and making it more smooth. Take some of those sharp points out, because that's really going to show up, I think, when you print it. But just go over the outline, basically. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.